FUYI FY382. It is a CATIII 600 watt 999 count cap meter. It uses battery 1.5 watt 2 piece. Size is a 195 times 74 times 30 mm. It weighs 178 grams. It not include the battery. If cam jobs mix is a 30 mm. Test pen CATIII 600 watt 10 mm. PVC cable 74.5 cm long. It DC watt 0.5 watt to 600 watt. AC watt 1 watt to 600 watt. ACM 0.001 m to 600 m. Frequency range is a 0.1 Hz to 1 kHz. Resistor range is a 1 ohm to 9.999 mega ohm. Die output voltage 2.5 watt. Continuity less than 30 ohm may be B-sound on. Capacity range 100 nanofarad to 9999 microfarad. Temperature is a minus 20 degrees C to 1000 degrees C. Let's see the meter. It comes from China by FUYI. It comes from a cheap paper ball. User menu. It's Chinese. And a password. Repair card. A soft case. It comes from a meter. A test pen. And a cheap temperature sensor. A pair of the battery. AAA. Okay, let's see the test pen first. It covered by a cap. And have a 4 mm jet, normal. It PVC cable. Let's see the meter. There is the meter. There is a power on off switch. There's NCV and live test mode. That is a capacitor, die test, and a temperature, and the torch function. Then a whole key, and other side is a QC pass, and the CV number. I cover it, and this is a battery compartment. Let's open the meter. that you are mini Philippine screw. That is the battery compartment. They have a plastic in the battery bag cover, and the input jet no any color coding. They put on the battery. There's power on off switch. Now it's in auto. There's a whole key. That is a capacitor. Now it is die test. Temperature in the torch on the top, not very bright. There's NCV. Now it's a NCV. Now it's a live test. And the winding angle is normal. Okay. Let's see the test. DC voltage weapon test. $2.5 watt. ISO 2.495 watt. 5 watt. ISO 4.993. 7.5 watt. ISO 7.495. 10 watt. ISO 9.988 watt. Okay, let's see another test. AC voltage test. This meter shows 224.8 watt. Foot is 224. Okay. Let's see another test. It's at the NCV test. Here about 2 cm have low display. And knee is high. And let's see the cable. Here about 2 cm maybe low. And knee is high. Okay, let's see the live test. Live hot wire test. Normal use the wet test lead. And this meter have a live hot wire test by pressing this switch. Now live test. Hot wire. It may be show the live. Neutral? No. F? No. Okay. Let's see another test pen. bad tendency. Neutral, no. Earth, no. And the live part is okay. It has okay. Capacitor test. $10 μF ISO 10. $1K. ISO 1020. Okay. Let's see the bigger one. 4700. Decharge it first. ISO FUYI 4408 μF. Okay. Let's see another test. Die test function. It normal die. ISO 0.466. Well, let's see the die function light on the LED. Well, okay, but very dim. Yellow, okay, very dim. Green, okay, but very dim. Blue, okay. White, okay. Okay. It can light on the LED, but very dim. In auto function, it can test on the continuity. If far, no response. 1, 2. It tends to 0. The dB about 88 to 19. 84 dB. If fast, no any response. Okay, let's see the resistor test. Source testing. Maybe 10 to 0. Okay, 1 ohm. ISO 0.9. 10 ohm. ISO 9 or 10 ohm. 9.9 to 10 ohm. 10.04K. ISO 10.03K. ISO accuracy 20.2K. ISO 20.02K. ISO good. Let's see the bigger one. 22.3 Met. It no response. Let's see the 10.87 met. No. Five met. It also showed the 5.059 met. Okay. Temperature test. Cool water. This meter shows 7 degrees C. Flow is 8.3 and unity is 8.7 degrees C. Let's see the hot water. And wait a minute. This meter is 55 degrees C. Flow is 58.3 and unity is 58.4. Okay. Let's see the high temperature test. Now it's 778. Now 401. Now 165 now. Cool down. Oh, sorry. This one cool. Okay, next test. Frequency test of this meter is so 40. 40 is okay. If lower, then maybe not so. And upper, 50, 60, 7, 90, 100, 200, 400, 500, 600, 7, 800, 1,000, 1,001 over. The test okay of this meter. AC current test. This meter now 0.455 amp. Probe is 0.454 amp. It's the same. Figure 0.771 amp. It's same as probe. Power up 4 amp. 4.085 amp. Probe is 4.05 amp. Also the same. Figure 5.786. Probe is 5.783. It also same as the probe near the reading. Test finished. This meter have a dual display measure function. It can measure the current and the voltage at the same time. Now we try to test it. Now it's in current test and voltage test. Now it's display the voltage and just test it. It might be wait a time and display the current now and make a higher. Now 2.269 M. V and X2 M. And higher is a 5.72 M above. When close off, that return the reading to the hertz of this meter. Okay. We test this meter have a function key problem. If you put the switch into an NCV mode or the line mode, you cannot change to other mode like this. Now cannot change. And when you return to the auto mode, that may be okay for turn to the another mode. Now is a temperature mode. And when in the first time you put in the temperature sensor in auto mode, like this one, that may not change to the temperature sensor mode. After you put off the switch, you can change to the temperature mode and put again the temperature sensor. They may be sensor the temperature, and now time maybe display a battery low logo, and this logo now time cannot be disappear because the meter have a warm problem. If you want to turn off this logo, it must be we insert the battery like this. We insert the battery again and power off the temperature sensor. Pull out the battery and return again. And turn on again. The battery low logo may be disappear. Okay. This is this meter problem. Battery current draw. In the open state 3 watt, this meter draw 32.37 milliamp about. In a standby mode, they have a 0.002 or 1 milliamp. Now open again. And then we load down the battery. .8, 2.7. When load down to 2.7, this meter, the battery low logo come out. Incoming low down. 2.6, 2.5, 2.4, 2.2, 2 watt, 1.8, 1.7, 1.5, that may be dim. 1.4 very dim. 1.3 triple dim. And 1.2 there may be super dim, and also have a little 1.2, 1.1. Let's disappear the reading and can't open again. We reset to the 3 watt. Now 3 watt. See the other function of the torch. Die function is a draw 40.7 milliamp. And sales as a 38.8. We open the top. That will maybe 39 milliamp draw. Okay, let's see another function. IMO output voltage. There is a 2.6 watt DC. Okay. Meter teardown. There is the back cover. They have a 3 screw. There is the back side. And inside no any shielding. There is a battery compartment. Let's see the meter. There is the supply contact. There is a PTC. There is a skin controller. There is the main IC. There is the buzzer. There is a LED and another component. There is a PTC. Okay, let's open it now. There is another side of the spot. And there is the LCD skin and the keypad. Lifting up the backlight. Now that is the backlight. Backlight module. There is the main circuit board. They also have some component at this size. And fully see again the parts. And there is the LCD skin. It's black color. And then the push key. Okay, teardown finished. High voltage DC test. 100 watt. ISO 110. 250. ISO 272.6. 500. ISO 519.4. Okay. NCV test. Hit about 1 cm low. And touch is a high. Okay. Auto power off test.